everyone, I'm Cheri with Others.com, and I am back to share some more recipes in the form of a weekly meal plan. I share my weekly meal plans with you just to try to give you some new and fresh dinner ideas. I do come up with a theme, and my theme this week is on a budget. It is November this week, and to me, once November hits, I'm always trying to plan for all of my Christmas shopping and all of the extra holiday expenses. So I thought, why not do a budget-friendly weekly meal plan? You can find these and all sorts of other recipes at my food blog, which is Others.com. And if you never want to miss out on one of my weekly meal plans, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So here we go with this week's budget-friendly weekly meal plan. So the first budget-friendly weekly meal plan is air fryer Mexican hot dogs. They are hot dogs wrapped in tortillas and brushed with kind of a spiced olive oil. My kids love them, my husband loved them. They're really, really great and also budget-friendly. Chicken thighs is one of the ingredients that I use when I want to cook on a budget. And this one has a trick to get the skin extra crispy in the oven. We have Crispy.Baked BBQ Chicken Thighs. Whole chickens are another great budget-friendly idea. So this week we are doing a barbecue root beer canned chicken. It's kind of a play on your traditional beer can chicken, but using root beer. You can smoke that in the smoker, or you can make that in the oven. And then for our fun budget-friendly weekend meal, I have air fryer garlic toast pizzas. So I hope that you guys have a great week and enjoy this week's budget-friendly weekly meal plan.